the importance of accepting your failures and learning from them. It is common that this exam, best of the best gets humbled. Somebody from IITs, prestigious institutes. It is common. And the immediate reaction that comes out of us is to blame the system, the UPSC or the examiner or your pen, anything, everything apart from yourself. It is a disastrous step in the sense that it will not only keep you from improving, because once you deny your failures, where is the scope of improvement? You always think that whatever you are doing is perfect. I had done that mistake. But in this attempt, I had accepted that I failed because I didn't deserve. And once I accepted it, I knew where to start. Okay, then I had accepted that I had failed. Now, what is the improvement that I had to do? But the point I want to make is, it is very important that you should learn from your failures.